Let me go get some food here. There is nothing in my fridge. What? I'm trapped in IKEA. Here's the path I have to try to go to navigate through the labyrinth that is IKEA. That's the finish line. Stuff in here. What's in here? What the? Open. Ah, Brad Pitt. Well, now that I'm here, maybe I should just kind of just jump in the shower real quick. What? Why does this not work? Well, at least I can use the bathroom here. Good old IKEA. What? Brad Pitt. Oh, wow. Andrew Taylor's Den Amerikanske Potion. Oh yeah, my favorite book. Let me read you a passage from my favorite book. Går vi med Hodkin? Mr. Fransson? Ja, sag det. Mr. Bremsey måste gåna som han... I don't understand. Something's wrong with my computer. Something horribly wrong with my computer. I don't understand what's wrong. Well, good news. I found my laptop. The brand name laptop. Tech support. Severe trust issues inside of IKEA. I'm lost. I have nowhere to go. I'm lost. Ugh. Oh, I'm still here. They got these coloring books, which is cool, but they have like the weirdest artwork you'll ever see in a coloring book. Like, what is that? Look at this guy. What is happening in the store?
All right, I think I found the way out. I have to go down these stairs here. And if I can traverse through this door, I hope it... What? Brad Pitt! Okay, I'll go through these doors. Maybe I'll find the way out. There's gotta be a way out. I'm in the lighting fixtures, which is good. Good sign. Now, I see the exits. I see the checkout lanes. I just have to make it through the checkout lanes. I can see the outside right there. All I have to do is turn. And I'm still in IKEA! What? Brad Pitt!